Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my June project pan update. So it is super late into July. I think it's July 17th when this is going up, 17th or 18th. So I'm super late with this. Really sorry, just things happen. So I'm gonna try and make this short and sweet, and then there'll probably be one video or two videos in between this and the next update. So sorry about that. Okay, so I have some things that I'm making some really good progress on, and then I'm adding and subtracting some things. So let's start with the products that I'm adding and taking away. So in here I have some things that I will not be using anymore just because I'm done with them. First one is the butter lipstick in Pops, which is now called Boardwalk Promenade or something like that. I have two of these, so I wanted to get rid of this one, but I'm just realizing I'm really not into this color. I used to love it so much. So I'm going to throw this one away, and then the extra that I have I'm going to give to a friend. Next up, we have the Urban Decay eyeliners in Roach and 1999. I'm just gonna throw these away. They're in old packaging. I've had these maybe since high school or the beginning of college, so I'm just gonna throw these away. I don't really use eyeliners like this. If I use an eyeliner, it's a liquid liner or the gold / copper that I have under my eyes right now, so those are gonna go. And then this guy right here, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in anti-aging. This just isn't it anymore. This one doesn't really work well. When I use eyeshadows with this, it doesn't perform that well. Blending is really kind of difficult. I just really like my Smashbox one better. I wanted to use this up, but this is somewhat old as well, so I feel okay parting with it. I think I've used up like half of it. It's just not performing well, so it's like, what's the point of using it up and keeping it, you know? So those are things that I am getting rid of, but I am adding in a new perfume, or this is really a body spray. This is the Pink with a Splash Fresh and Fierce. This is really old, still smells real good. God, this is probably from high school as well. But I marked it right here. I don't know if you can see that green line. So I've got a good ways to go. Luckily, this is like a light and fresh scent, and since it's a body mist, it doesn't last that long, so I can really spray it all the time. But I really like this, so I wanted to use it up. All right, on to the products that I have made progress on, and there's actually one item that I used up. This guy right here, I'm so proud of myself. This is the Toca Maya perfume. This is just a mini roller ball. This is completely used up. I've been making really good progress on perfume, so I've got two that need a lot of progress. And then I added this one, and then we have this one right here. This is the Ariana Grande one, and I marked it right up here before, so it was, I want to say 2/3 done, and now I want to say it's 3/4 of the way done. I can see in the bottom, and there's just a little bit left, so I think I'm going to get this used up by August, which is really great. I'm excited about that. Okay, so items that I have made some progress on. We have hit some pan on some things, and this guy I'm so excited about because I never thought this would happen, but I hit pan right there, if you can see that. So there's an end in sight, and I'm very excited because I've had this forever and I use it every single day, and it looked like nothing was happening. So I think, let's see what like the actual number is. It says it only used up 7 grams of powder, but it's showing that like I've been using more. Also, I've hit pan on some eyeshadows in this. So we have hit pan on 3 shades. This guy over here, I don't know if you can see that because there you go, it's a reflective shade. Major pan on this one, and we just hit pan a little bit on this one. Super excited about this, even though it only says I used up 15 grams of product. I mean, that could be very true. We started with 20 grams. So once I just really want to finish these 3 eyeshadows and then maybe like hit pan in this one because I use this for the inner corner and my brow bone a lot. So we will see with that. Continuing powder products, the Tarte blushes. Oh no, okay, so we officially hit pan because I just dug my nail in it. What a bummer. Okay, oopsie. So this is classic, and before I did that, you could see the rings of the pan starting to pop through. So I'm very excited about this. It says it has 1.5 grams left, which is where we started, but I've really been using this. This is the blush that I'm using every single day, so I don't know about that. And then this one I've been using somewhat. This definitely has not been used as much, but the Amazonian like markings in it have almost completely gone away. So progress on that. Next up is my highlighter. So this is the Urban Decay Afterglow 8 Hour Powder Highlighter in Sin. So you can't see it, but there's definitely a dip happening. Maybe in the next month or 2 I can see myself hitting pan, but I use this every day. It's the highlighter I'm using right now, so hopefully something happens soon. And then we have one lip product that I've made progress on. This is the lip liner by e.l.f. and this is in the color, I don't know, what's it called? I lost the cap that has the name on it. Oh poop. Darn it, I don't know, but I'm halfway done this lip liner. I think this is like nude pink. This is all I have left, if you can see that right there. So I'm making some good progress on this as well. Okay, now that those are done, let's go on to the other products that I don't show you everything, but I have written down here like my skincare, body products, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so we have a lot to go through right now. So masks, the potted ones, we started at 25, I'm at 19. Sheet masks, we started at 50, I'm at 38. Face cleansers, we started at 13, I'm at 8. Lip balms, we started at 13, I'm at 9. Hand lotions, I started at 10 and now I'm at 6. Hand soap, started at 16, now I'm at 13. Body lotion, we started at 9, now I'm at 6. For body wash, we started with 13 and now I'm at 11, and a lot of those are like really large body washes. And then candles, we started out with 36, I'm at 22 right now, and scent bulbs from Bath & Body Works, those things, we started with 49 and now I'm at 45. So overall this year, I have used up 73 products, which is so amazing. I think that number is only in skincare products, body products, and home scents, the ones that I just went through right now. I would like to finish 150 total at the end of the year. We'll see what happens. I'm really gonna try to make that happen. I've really been like getting into this and really using stuff up, so I'm very proud of myself, especially we're just seeing progress on so many things. It's so great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look out for the next one and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.